in the Rococo Review of Robotic Ruses, where EAs extol endless equities, yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the SEMI HFT EA on my Exness account for months. And zounds, it's shifted semi-high frequencies to plus 65.10% gains with the panache of a parodic precision phantom. A Telegram Tatler trumpeted it as the EA that automates without the anarchy, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this SEMI HFT EA ace of algorithms. The zip folder for the SEMI HFT EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the MQL5 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the MQL5 to MT5's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the SEMI HFT EA to XAUUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the SEMI HFT EA parades its plus 65.10% absolute gain escapade on Exness, ballooning deposits into a solid AUD balance with consistent profit after minor withdrawals, daily 0.18% chuckles, monthly 65.10% guffaws, equity curve of bemused descent lampooning manual traders' flatlines, with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for semi-HFT bots that ride tight ranges. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the semi-HFT EAs, built-in low latency, advanced algorithms, automated execution, and high-frequency trading that keep risks tame. Get this. Net pips positive. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdown's only 11.65% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving quietly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers low-stress, consistent monthly gains on the most volatile asset, this SEMI HFT EA is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the SEMI HFT EA on MT5 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $40.47. Gross profits edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown low. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the SEMI HFT EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting SEMI HFT EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.